guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to find your lost Wi-Fi password. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. So this video I'll be just telling you that, like, let's say that for your laptop your Wi-Fi is connected but you don't remember the password, because we usually enable this automatically connect option. So you want to get to know about this password so that you can just connect it with your smartphone or any other device. So here, first thing we need to check is that we need to open our settings, and inside the settings we need to go for our network and internet. Once we go on to here, just scroll down until you find this advanced network settings. Go for it, and after this, like, we need to just scroll down, and here we can just find few of the things like Wi-Fi. So we can just click on this Wi-Fi to check like which Wi-Fi are you connected as of now. Now go to this more network adapter options. Once we click onto this, we find this thing like which will be showing us the Bluetooth connections which are there and any other connections. So here I can find my Wi-Fi connection. Click on it, and once you just click on this, here you can see this wireless properties option. Click on this, and we have two sections for this: connection and security. Go for the security. So this is your network security key. Click on show characters so that you can just find this is the password for my Wi-Fi. So in this way you can just get the password for the Wi-Fi that you are connected with your laptop or any other device, and you can connect it through other devices by using this password. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.